I will start this chapter division, okay? And first of all, I welcome you to this class, okay? Now, this is the chapter division, okay? Open your books and then open this chapter also. And in this, I will explain you division. And now here, the first chapter is the recap exercise, okay? Recap exercise, and here there are some questions. We have to fill in the blanks, okay? So here the question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So you have here the multiplication facts. The multiplication fact. Multiplication fact, and then you have the division fact. Division fact. Okay, so here the question here A, you have 6 into 15 equal to 90, it is given. Then you have here B, you have here 10 into 11 equal to dash. Then C, here you have 3 into 16 equal to dash. And then here in this side, you have 90 divided by 15 equal to 6. Then other question is here, fill in the blanks and divided by 10 equal to dash. And one more here, dash divided by 3 equal to dash. Okay. So here, and you have also more questions here. Question number D, 7 into 13 equal to dash, and here dash divided by 13 equal to dash. And also here E, you have 9 into 11 equal to dash, and dash divided by 9 equal to dash. Okay. So this is the question. Now see that here 6 into 15 equal to 90. When you multiply 6 with 15, you will get 90 here. So here you have the division facts. That is, when you divide 90 by 15, you will get 6. Or when you divide 90 by 6, you will get 15. So here the answer is written. Now here in this, it is 10 into 11. So what is 10 to 11? It is 110. Okay, 110. Now here you will divide 110 by 10. So you will get 11. Okay, 110 divided by 10 equal to here 11. Now see, similarly here 16 3 48. Okay, 16 3 is 48, and here then divide 48 by 3, then you will get 16. Okay. Then next is 13 7 91. Okay. So here when you divide 91 by 7, you will get 13, and when you divide 91 by 13, you will get 7. So here write 91 and divided by, it will be equal to 7. So these are the division facts. And here 11 9 are 99. Then here divide 99 divided by 9 will be equal to 11. Okay. So these are the division facts. Okay. So this is the first question of this exercise. Now the next is division by the repeated subtraction. Okay. How will you divide by using the repeated subtraction? That is, जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो डिवाइड करने का तरीका ये होता है कि जैसे कि कोई भी नंबर दिया हुआ है, फॉर एग्जांपल you have this 75 divided by 15. Okay. So here you will divide, you will subtract, you will go on subtracting 15 from 75. See here that 75 minus 15 इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 0, और फिर उसके बाद 6 हो गया, फिर 60 को माइनस करो, 15 से कितना हो जाएगा 45, फिर 45 minus 15 equal to 0 and 3, this is 30, and 30 minus 15 कितना हो जाएगा 15, and then 15 minus 15 equal to क्या हो जाएगा 0. Okay. So now here you see that we have subtracted 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore it means that 75 divided by 15 equal to 5. Okay, this is called the division by the repeated subtraction. Okay. So here you have the questions. This is actually question number A, which I did, and also this is already done in the book. So question number B. Question number B. 2B. Okay, so here you have 40 divided by 8. Okay, 40 divided by 8. So here you will subtract 40 minus 8 equal to 32. Then 32 minus 8 equal to 24, and then 24 minus 8 equal to 16. Then 16 minus 8 equal to 8, and 8 minus 8 equal to 0, and therefore 40 divided by 8 equal to how much? 5. Because हमने यहाँ पर क्या है, we have got 0. We have got 0 in the fifth step here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be here 5. So now the next question is 52 divided by 13. Okay. So how will you do this here? 52 divided by 13. Let's subtract here. 52 minus 13. 9, then 4, then 3. Equal to how much? 6 and 2. 0, and therefore 52 divided by 13 equal to 4. Because in 4 steps we get the subtraction 0, and therefore the answer will be 4. Now question number 3. Okay. There is one more question which is that you will do that yourself. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 में क्या है? Use multiplication tables and divide the following. So in this question you must know the table. Okay. If you don't remember the table, then it will be difficult for you to divide this. Okay. So remember the table. So you have 72 divided by 9 equal to 9 is 72. So the answer is 8. Next question number B. You have 78 divided by 6. It will be 13 because 13 6 are 78. Question number C is 88 divided by 8 equal to 11 because 11 8 are 88. And question number D is here 112 divided by 14. 112 divided by 14 will be equal to 8. Again 48 is 112. So you see here that it all depends on the table, and you must remember the table from 1 to 20. Okay, table को याद रखोगे तभी जाकर के ये सारे क्वेश्चंस तुमको बनाने में इजी होंगे. अगर टेबल याद नहीं है तो उसको याद करो. ओके. और याद कैसे करोगे? उसको रोज लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके. राइट एवरी डे द टेबल. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 50 divided by 8. Okay. 50 divided by 8. So in this find the quotient and remainder and verify the answer. Okay. हमको यहाँ पर verify नहीं करना है. तो पहले divide करो इसको 50 8 6 48. यहाँ 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, minus करने के बाद. So here the quotient. Okay, here the quotient 2 equal to 6 and r equal to here 2. So how will you verify here? Verification. Verification, there is a formula here, that is dividend. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here what is the dividend here? See, dividend is 150. Okay. and what is divided here? 8. So 8, and what is quotient here? 6, and divisor is 2. So 50 equal to 48 plus 2. So 50 equal to 50. So both are equal here. So therefore verify. Okay, you will write like this. Okay. So this is the answer of this question here. Okay, remember this. So similarly, you can solve the other questions also. Now here question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Here you have to divide it only. Okay, divide and then find the quotient and remainder. Okay, so here question number A. Question number A is here, and 192 divided by here 8. So 8 to the here 16. Then 3 here, then 2, 8 4 here 32. And minus then 0. Therefore, here you will write quotient equal to 24 and remainder equal to 0. Okay, in this way we can divide. And here another question. Now question number C. Okay, 5C. Question number 5C. 451 divided by 5. So divide this number. 5 9 are 45, and here 0 and 1, then 5 zeros are 0 and 1 here. So here the quotient equal to 90 equal to 1. Okay. Now you will do the many questions yourself. And the next is the question number 6. Here the word problem. In this, the first question is 288 tables were placed in rows of 8. है ना? यहाँ पे क्या है? There are 288 tables. 288 tables हैं और उसको रो में रखा गया है. मतलब रो बना के रखा गया है, कतारों में रखा गया है. How many rows were made? तो कितना? यहाँ पर 8 rows दिया हुआ है. You are given the 8 rows. So here first write the number of tables. Number of tables equal to कितना है? 288. And what is the number of rows? Equal to how much? 8. Okay, so here you will write the how many rows were made. Uh, 288 tables were placed in rows of 8. Okay, that is here. This is not the number of rows here. The number of tables here. Actually, it should be here the number of tables in each row. Okay, the number of tables in each row. The number of tables in each row equal to 8. Then what is the? So here the number of rows. Okay, number of rows equal to 288 divided by 8. So now divide this. Okay, you can show this in the answer. So 8 3 are 24. So 4 8 then 8 6 are 48 0. So the answer is 36. So that is if you have the 288 tables, and if you arrange the table that is in one row, if you place 8 tables in one row, then you will have a total of 36 rows of the table. Okay. So now move on to the next exercise 5.1. Okay. So in this there are some properties. Okay, there are some properties of division. So here we have some properties of division, like dividing 0 by a number. Dividing 0 by a number. Okay, this is the property. Dividing 0 by a number. Like if you divide 0 divided by 5 equal to क्या होगा? 0 होगा. ओके, मतलब कहने का क्या हुआ कि अगर हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका आंसर हमेशा 0 होगा. ओके, लेकिन किसी भी नंबर को हम 0 से डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. किसी भी नंबर को, जैसे यहाँ पर 0 लिखा हुआ है, सो हियर 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 0, ओके, दिस इज हियर मीनिंगलेस. ओके, दिस इज नॉट डिफाइंड or it is called meaningless. Okay, this is meaningless. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है कि 0 को हम किसी भी नॉन जीरो नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा? हमेशा 0 होगा. ठीक है, सो ये याद रखो इसमें. और एक प्रॉपर्टी, दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी इसमें क्या है कि डिवाइडिंग बाय 1, अगर किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? डिवाइडिंग बाय 1, तो जैसे 8 है, 8 डिवाइड बाय 1, इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 8. दैट इज इफ यू डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय 1 you will get the number itself. Okay, so here 8 divided by 1 equal to 8, like 2000 divided by 1 equal to 2000. Okay, easy. So this is the property also. Next is किसी भी नंबर को उसी से डिवाइड करना. ओके, Number 3 is here dividing a number by itself. Number by itself. ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर को खुद से डिवाइड करना. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 इक्वल टू कितना होगा? 1. ओके, सिमिलरली 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 इक्वल टू 1. दैट इज the point is here that if you divide a number by itself the answer will always be 1. बट यहाँ पर भी याद रखना है कि 0 को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं करना है. अब तुम बोलोगे कि 0 को 0 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, इसका मतलब होना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, एंड सो रिमेंबर दैट ओनली. ओके, सो हियर दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी एंड डिवाइडिंग also you are given that dividing a number by 0. Okay, so dividing, just remember that dividing a number by 0 is meaningless, it is not possible. Okay, so remember this. So these are the properties, and also you know that like when we divide, I explained you that when you divide any number, like suppose 36 divided by 5. Okay, so 5 7 is 35 here. So you have this. So in this like this 5. Okay, 5 is called the divisor. Then here 6 7 is called quotient, and 36 called here the 36 is called the 36 is called dividend, and 1 is called the remainder. Okay, so remember this, that is the different parts of a division. Okay, when you divide a number by another number, then you have these 4 parts: the divisor, quotient. Okay, you can remember that like dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder, because first we have the dividend and then divisor. Okay, then when you divide the dividend by the divisor, you will get the quotient and the remainder. Okay.
Start, sir.
Okay. Now exercise 5.1. In this you have the fill in the blanks. Okay. In this fill in the blanks. So question number 1. Question number 1. 636 divided by 1. So abhi now here when you divide any number by 1, so I explained you that division, when you divide any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. Okay, so here the answer of this question will be 636. Okay, then question number 2, you have 256 divided by 1 equal to, again here the answer will be 256, because again the same property that if you divide a number by 1, you will get the number itself. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is 25 divided by 25. Now here you are dividing a number by itself. Again there is the property that I told you, the property that when you divide a number by itself, the quotient is always 1. Okay, the quotient is always 1. So here the answer is 1. Now the question number 4. Here 0 divided by 12. So 0 divided by 12 will be, now again further the property, if you divide 0 by any non-zero number, the quotient is always 0. Okay, so here the answer is 0. The next question is number 5. So in this 0 divided by 84 equal to again 0. Why? Again I just explained you that if you divide 0 by any non-zero number, the quotient is always 0. So the next question now is number 6. 1125 divided by 1125. Then here the answer will be how much? Now see here the question, because here the dividend and divisor both are equal. So that is, we are dividing a number by itself. Okay, so when you divide a number by itself, what will be the answer? The quotient is always 1. Okay, then question number 7. Here 984 divided by 0 equal to how much? Now see here, okay, observe here that 984 और उसको हम लोग 0 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो this is not allowed. Okay, here you type that it is not possible. Okay, because division by 0 is not allowed. The question number now 8 is here 114 divided by 140. Your answer will be again 1, because we are dividing a number by itself. Okay. Then question number 9. You have here 3214 divided by 1. So what is the answer here? When you divide a number by itself like this, when you divide a number by when you divide a number by 1, the answer will be the number itself. That is, quotient will be this. Number 10, 7500. Again here the answer is same. And then you have 11. The question is 8426 divided by 8426. That is, we are here dividing a number by itself. Okay, so then the question will be here 1. And the last one is here 12. Okay, question number 12. you have here 1397 and divided by 0. Here it will be not possible. Okay, because here division by 0 is not allowed here, so this division is not possible. So this is the end of this exercise. Okay, so here now in this you have learned that is the some properties of division, and also the recap exercise is done. Okay, so here I have done all the questions, but again you will do all the questions and learn the properties of division. There are 4 properties here. Okay, so in the next class I will explain you the exercise 5.2 and 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4 and other exercise. Okay, so okay then, thank you for watching.